Is your Lenovo feeling a bit sluggish or missing some cool features? Keeping Lenovo Vantage up to date is the key to unlocking its full potential and ensuring your device runs like a dream. Alright, let's get started. First, click on the Windows Start menu, usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now type Microsoft Store in the search bar. Once the Microsoft Store app appears in the search results, click on it to open it. In the Microsoft Store, look for the three dots, also known as the ellipsis. In the upper right corner of the window, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Downloads and Updates. This will take you to the section where you can manage app updates. On the Downloads and Updates screen, look for a button labeled Get Updates and click on it. The Microsoft Store will now start checking for available updates for all your installed apps. Wait for the Microsoft Store to finish checking and installing updates. If an update for Lenovo Vantage is available, it will automatically download and install. You'll see a progress bar indicating the update process. Once the update is complete, you're all set. Your Lenovo Vantage app is now up to date with the latest features and improvements. Now you can enjoy a smoother and more optimized Lenovo experience. Thanks for watching.